Hello everybody, welcome back to another Adobe Photoshop CC 2019 tutorial. This one, I'm going to show you how to remove acne or skin blemishes of various sorts in like 60 seconds or less. It's crazy. I've got a picture here of just a girl with very, very mild acne. And this is the kind of thing photographers, I know you'll get a lot of pictures and they'll be like, oh, I look great, but can you remove some of the blemishes? Not a problem. Easy to do. The first step here is you just want to click on your layer. I'm going to hold down the Command or Control J, depending on if you're on a Mac or if you're on a PC, and create a second layer. I'm duplicating the layer, pardon me. I'll turn the first layer off, not that it matters, but I'm going to be working on this layer. I've got two layers because I'm going to show you the before and after. So you don't need to do this, but anyways, I do it. The next step is you want to go over here real quickly to what's called the spot healing brush, and this is the magic brush. Now you're going to see here she's got some, really, really light acne and a couple little things that she might want changed out for her final pictures. No problem. Select a spot healing brush and now click on the different blemishes. Left click, pardon me, and left click once. Don't left click and hold and rub around too much. It's not usually the way to do this. I'm just left clicking really quickly here on the parts that maybe we might want to touch up a little bit, maybe a little bit here, and there. And you're going to see here the spot healing brush, in almost all cases, can get what you're looking to do done really, really easily. It's an amazing tool. Left click on the chin here a little bit. And is there anything else that I would want to touch a little bit? Not really. I mean, she had almost nothing there to begin with. And to be honest, I don't even think she needed this. But again, I'm demonstrating a technique. This isn't anything about women or men's beauty or any of that kind of stuff. It's just to show you how it works. So I'm going to have the bottom layer turned on. Now I'm going to turn off the top layer. There was the original. There is the touched up, and literally, guys, that, like I said, it took us like 60 seconds to do it. There are other techniques that I can show you that can help, but that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. I got a ton more stuff coming up. Thanks for watching.